You're using your Dyson vacuum like always, and suddenly it starts pulsing. Then it shows Airway Blocked on the screen. You check everything: the bin, the wand, the filter, and they all look clean. But the vacuum keeps pulsing and won't stop. Sound familiar? This is actually a really common issue, especially with models like the V10, V11, V12, and V15. Don't worry, in this guide, I'll explain the 4 real reasons why your Dyson is giving you that false blockage warning, and exactly how to fix each issue step by step. Just make sure to unplug the vacuum or remove the battery before doing anything. Problem number 1. If your Dyson is still pulsing even though there's no visible blockage and your filter is clean or recently replaced, the issue is usually dust buildup inside the Cyclone unit. Even when the outside looks clean, fine dust can collect deep inside the Cyclone, restricting airflow and making the vacuum think there's a blockage. The fix is simple. You'll need to take the Cyclone unit apart and dry clean it. You don't need any fancy tools, just a screwdriver, a soft brush or microfiber cloth, and a little patience. Make sure the battery is removed before you start, and do not use water, since moisture can damage internal parts. In rare cases, the pulsing might be caused by moisture that got into the motor or circuit board, usually from using a filter that wasn't fully dry. Problem number 2. Another common reason for blockage warnings is a small obstruction in the wand, brush head, or where the bin connects. It could be something as simple as a bit of tissue, pet hair, or even paper stuck somewhere. These are small, but they can seriously affect airflow. To fix this, take off the wand and cleaner head, then unlock and remove the brush bar. Carefully inspect the airways and bin inlet. Use your fingers or a narrow tool to remove anything stuck. Also, take this opportunity to clean the filter, rinse it under cold tap water until it's clear, and make sure to let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling. Once everything's clean and back in place, your vacuum should stop pulsing and work normally. Problem number 3. If your Dyson is pulsing or shutting off and the filter feels even slightly damp, that could be the issue. A wet or half-dried filter can pull moisture into the motor, triggering a safety shutdown. The solution? Remove the filter and let it air dry for 24 to 48 hours in a cool, well-ventilated place. Don't use a hairdryer, oven, or heater. Those can damage the filter. Once it's fully dry, pop it back in and give the vacuum a try. If moisture was the cause, it should start working like normal again. Problem number 4. If none of the above works and your vacuum still pulses or says Airway Blocked, there's a chance the motor itself is damaged, likely from moisture. If water got inside, it might have caused corrosion or electrical issues, which the vacuum reads as a blockage. To check, you'll need to open the motor casing using a T8 screwdriver. Look for rust, black burn marks, or signs of water damage. If you see any, the motor probably needs to be replaced, either just the motor or the entire handle assembly, depending on your model. You can order the parts online and have them replaced by a repair professional. To keep your Dyson working well, regular care goes a long way. Clean the Cyclone unit every now and then, just tap out the dust buildup. Always let the filter dry for at least 24 to 48 hours after washing. Check the wand and brush head for hair or debris, and avoid vacuuming coins, paper clips, or large objects that can cause damage. Also, store your vacuum in a clean, dry spot to prevent dust buildup when it's not being used. Which solution worked for you? Tell me in the comments below. And for another useful cleaning guide, check out this video next.